Today, you are going to use liquid watercolors. When you use liquid watercolors, the color straight from the bottle is really bright and vibrant, and it's also a little bit more difficult to see through. The more water you add, the lighter, but more see-through, called transparent, your paint is going to be. If you are making a painting and you're painting with wet paint, as you will be, and you don't let it dry and you paint next to other wet paint, the edges are going to fuzz into each other and bleed together, and the colors are going to mix. This is one effect that you can purposefully achieve. If you paint over paint that has had a chance to dry, the edges will stay crisp and they won't bleed color into one another. This is a second effect that you can purposefully do.